Hey everyone, it's Trisha here from Passive Income Today. And just recently, I came across this new software program that I was really impressed with. I wasn't able to find a lot of content online to provide reviews, but it was only at that point that I had realized that it's a new launch of a new AI tool. And if you have a YouTube channel, you will actually find this tool really helpful because you'll know how much time and effort goes into creating a new video, uploading it, adding all the information that's required, publishing it, and then optimizing it. So this tool will help you with all of those tasks, and it is so fantastic. I really am very excited about this tool. It's already saved me a ton of time and increased my subscriber list and increased the views on my channel in just a couple of weeks that I've been using it. So this review is going to talk about Taja AI. It's AI for YouTubers, and it's going to show you how to optimize your video. In a second video, I will provide a link below in the comments and description that will take you through to the back end of Taja and do an example demonstration of how it works. I think if you watch this video, even if you put it on double speed and you just skim through it, and then you go to watch the demo, you'll have a really good understanding of the value it presents. Now, if time is limited and you're a busy person, trust me, this is going to save you so many hours of post-production editing and preparation for your YouTube channel. The great thing about Taja is you can use it for existing videos and any new videos that you have. So tell me, what's your goal for 2024? Are you interested, or is this one of your goals to get more views on YouTube? It's definitely one of my goals, and I'm hoping that I'm going to, along with my regular marketing, now introducing Taja AI for 2024, I'm hoping I'm going to crack that magic number this year, and we'll see how it goes. So let's quickly cover what this video is all about and what you can look forward to. Now, Taja is an AI tool that helps YouTubers optimize their entire video, the whole part, in just 3 minutes. It is a AI tool that's completely web-based. It's for anyone who has a YouTube channel and who wants to get more views. I'm going to go through the pros and cons, should you buy it, and a link to the product. Now, I'm going to give you 2 links, and I'm praying that you are watching this now early in 2024 and you hurry up and grab it, because one of the links will give you access to a lifetime deal that is so superb that I cannot imagine my life without it right now. And the second link is going to give you an access to a deal directly with Taja. But both of those deals are excellent, and just jump on, give it a try, and see how you go. Okay, the first one. This is some copy and pasting from their sales page when I was reading through this afternoon to get an update to see if anything had changed on their features. And really, it's the same features that I have been practicing and using, so I'm very comfortable doing this review and providing you with some feedback. Taja has outperformed my expectations. Now, I'm a regular user of AI tools. I really enjoy it. I particularly enjoy ones that do rewriting and writing because I'm interested to look at different angles, and that's what Taja has brought to the table. With this AI tool, it is bringing my videos into a new light, and it's definitely uplifting them. I'm looking back and cringing at a few of my old videos at how long the descriptions are, and right now I'm going through and I'm refreshing my videos. So that means that hopefully with the refresh and with the keyword choices and the trending and the updates, my videos will get more eyes on them, more subscribers, and I'll be able to help more people, building this community of amazing people just like yourself. So Taja is a very powerful tool to optimize YouTube. Like I said before, the main goal is to get more eyes on your videos, and there's several key points in the activities that you do that Taja will cover and help you with. Think of it as the best VA you've ever had that gets a job done in 3 minutes. Isn't that amazing? Now, after this video, I'm going to produce a second video that's going to be the demo of Taja, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works. So down below in the description, please click the link to watch that demo. I'll keep it really short, and I'll take you behind the scenes. I'll show you an existing video that I have on my channel, and I will walk you through how I optimize it using the Taja the Taja AI tools. If you have any questions, let me know. If you have a video that you might like me to test as an example, I can certainly do that for you. Send me a link in the comments. So what is Taja AI? It's an artificial intelligence tool built specifically to optimize videos on YouTube to get more eyes on those videos. It's for anyone who has a YouTube channel and is a YouTube creator, and anyone who wants more traffic and engagement. The pros and cons. The pros, very easy to use. It adds great value to your YouTube videos and it helps with the algorithm. The cons, it has an AI thumbnail generator and it creates these type of comic or AI art images. Some of them have been good, some of them have not been so great, but I think it's just a tool that's only as good as the information you put into it as to what type of image it will generate, and it'll keep generating images until you find one that you like, and it'll give you like an example in situ of how that would look. It'll make a lot of sense in the demo video, so do make sure you watch that one. Now, an overall rating, it's not very often that I would give a 10 out of 10, but when I take a step back and I look at my YouTube channel and how much time I spend on it, I don't have a virtual assistant, and that's okay. I do this because it makes me happy. It's a hobby. It's something I really enjoy, and I like helping people. But it does take a lot of time to make videos, and some of the products that I promote, I do get paid an affiliate commission, and that helps me to purchase other products to try and use. So it's kind of a circle economy going on here, and Tasha has helped me create more videos faster and make my life easier so I don't sit there at the keyboard trying to figure out what to type in. So I gave this tool a 10 out of 10 specifically for 3 reasons. One, it saves me so much time and I don't have to think and spend like lots of time on different tools finding the keywords and tags and hashtags and SEO phrases, etc., etc. Two, it's so easy to use. I literally just copy paste a link, I choose the tone, I press go, I wait, I get a drink, I come back, and it's done. It's so easy. I mean, I couldn't ask for any more. So I give it a 10 out of 10 for ease of use, saving time, reliability, features that it's recommended, and pricing value as well. So if I make a video now, everyone's different. Some people may not put as much time or effort into making videos, or sometimes they just find it easy, or they have a team and they don't need to worry about this. But for me personally, making the video is one piece of work. It's the pre-video, getting ready, knowing what you're going to talk about. Then there's a post-video, is uploading it and getting all the descriptions right. That bit, it can take me a few hours to get that finished and make sure I have it optimized to the level that I want. And Taja has really cut that down to just a few minutes. So, I mean, for me, it's a no-brainer. It's great value for money. This is what it can do and this is what it can't do. And I hope you find this list really helpful because I know when I'm evaluating a product, if I'm going to buy something, I want to know what it can and can't do. I want to know the good, the bad, and the ugly. I want to know what it's going to help me with, what it's not going to help me with. And it's okay. Not every tool needs to help you with everything. But if you know where the gaps are, you can fill it with something else. Okay, so these are the list of the features and what you can do and then what it doesn't do. So let's start with what it doesn't do. It's an AI tool, guys. It's not a human. So it is generating content and words and descriptions from an artificial intelligence. AI still needs humans. No matter how good the AI gets, we're always going to need humans. So it gives you an AI response, but you still need to take the time to read it and go, yep, that sounds like me. That sounds like a fun type of way I'd approach it, or that's the voice and the tone that I would use, or you make some slight changes and edit it. So there is always going to be a human component. I would say it would take me less than 5 minutes or maybe 3 minutes to do that human part of this whole process. Before it was taking me 2 to 3 hours. Now I'm spending 5 minutes. So win, no problems. Winning, winning chicken dinner. What it can do, now this is great. It will allow you to optimize your videos literally with just a couple of clicks. Like I said before, you take the Taja web page, you copy paste your URL, you pick the tone, you go, click go, and then it will generate for you over a 3-minute period. And then at the end, it pops out everything you need for that video to be published on YouTube and to be optimized to the highest 100% level. So it will help you generate a new title so you can get more clicks. And with all the words that it can generate, you can choose the tone. Do you want it to be professional? Do you want it to be upbeat and lively? Do you want it to be clickbaity? How do you want that title to read to your audience? It will also generate a thumbnail for you, which is actually kind of cool and helpful, because a thumbnail will save you time not having to go on Canva and create one, or picking a random one from your video as a screenshot. It will generate a description that is rich, full of SEO keywords and phrases. This is so important. At the very beginning, as I mentioned, you put in the URL and the tone you want. It will also ask, do you have any specific keywords and phrases? Now, if you said yes and you added those keywords and phrases, it will blend that into the description. But not only that, it will look at your existing channel and pick out the most commonly referred to keywords and phrases and incorporate that as well. Really fantastic way to beat the algorithm and to get more views and ratings. The next thing is that it will generate your chapters for your video, making it easier for people to navigate to which part of the video is most important to them. And it will also generate hashtags and tags. Hashtags and tags based on keywords, based on the video, based on the content, and based on what's trending right now. It's really, really important. It saves me a ton of work. I got a surprise because I was receiving these emails on holidays. As I mentioned, I only signed up for this in the last month, and the last 2 weeks I've been on holidays and just relaxing. And I've been getting these pop-up emails from Taja saying, "Hey Trisha, these are your keywords that we recommend for your videos in your channel." And I was really impressed. So it has an automatic reporting tool. It's saying, try focusing on these keywords with your next videos or your previous videos. And that was great. It's monitoring my account, my performance, what people are searching for, and it's giving me feedback to incorporate into my videos. It saves me so much time. I really love this part because I'm a solo entrepreneur. I have my channel. I'm the one and done person. I create my videos and I try to make it as valuable as possible for you, my audience. And any way that I can save some time and still produce a high quality product, count me in. I'm the person. So Tasha saves me tons of time, and that's why I really like it. If you have a team working for you and you want people to help you with producing your YouTube videos and getting the content right, this is a great tool as well, because your tool can be focused more on producing and delivering higher quality products to you. So there's lots of ways that you can use it. There are 3 different plans, the Knight, Queen, and the King plan. In the description below, I'm going to give you 2 links. Now, please, if you are even slightly interested in this, click the link straight away and buy it, especially link number 1, which is going to give you access to a lifetime deal. Now, based on my experience, if you have the budget and you are comfortable spending the money, you should buy immediately the King plan, the high use plan. This King plan gives you access to, let's just have a quick look, unlimited videos for generating for your channel. Now, last time I checked out, there was a huge amount of value in that King plan, and the lifetime deal was exceptional. So check it out, see what you think. And if that lifetime plan is expired, which I don't know when it will go, but I just know it's available today when I'm recording this video, then definitely check out the second plan, which will give you the next best offer, which is my direct affiliate offer. As I mentioned, I will earn a small commission, and that commission will help me produce these videos to help you as well. So the light plan gives you 4 videos a month to do. The medium plan, which is the Queen, gives you 12 videos, and the King plan gives you unlimited. I already had roughly 60 to 90 videos on my channel, and I didn't want to be limited by when I wanted to do them, so I went all in and bought the King plan. Now, these are my top 6 reasons for buying Taja, and you'll probably discover your own, or some of these may resonate with you. And I hope this particular list will help you make the decision. The one, it saves so much time. I mean, we've already talked about that, what it would be to go and get a VA and explain it and rewrite it and check their work and get it done and get it published. You know, that would just, like, to me, I was just like, I don't want to deal with that. I just want to get on with it and make the next video. So, yep, number 1, it saves me time. Number 2, it helps me grow my channel subscribers and traffic, meaning that I can help more people grow my audience and grow my business. Number 3, it gives me really good creative help with titles and descriptions, which I love from the AI perspective. I may not use what they propose 100%, but I would say I'd use it 98%, which means that, you know, I'm in Australia, my language is slightly different to America or the UK, and I want it to sound like me, not like a AI tool. So I may, like, you know, tweak a tiny little bit, a couple words here and there, but more or less it's the same piece of content. It does all the legwork for the hashtags and tags. Now, in my experience creating a YouTube channel, you guys might have a totally different experience, but I find it a real pain, the beep beep, if you know what I mean. So finding hashtags and tags, it's like it takes me longer to do that than it takes me to make a video. So yes, they have my vote. Thank you very much, Taja AI. I really like the fact that you do that for me. And then again, I scan through as the human using AI and I go, yep, I agree with those. No, I don't like that one, so I'll remove it. It gives me regular updates on my emails. It's like having someone report in once a week or once a fortnight whenever they send me the report, say, hey, Trisha, your channel's going really well. You got 20% more subscribers than last week. And by the way, we're finding these keywords are trending and you might like to make a video for X, Y, and Z. Thank you. Hello. That's a great idea. I find that really, really helpful. And the last one. Imagine someone who just gets you and understands you and just gets the job done. Taja is my VA assistant. That's an artificial intelligence thingy, and it just does it for me. I don't have to explain 1,000 things. It does the work, does the runaround, and it delivers. And I am peacefully happy able to make these videos for you. So this is like a really quick 30-second summary, why I bought Taja AI and how I use it. I started my channel about 2 years ago with about 60 plus videos. I couldn't find a good VA to help me with updating and improving the video word content. Now, full disclosure, I'm particular about words and how things are written. In my professional corporate life, I spend a lot of time writing, negotiating big contracts worth millions of dollars. So I am very fussy, and that's why it's me, not the VA's fault, because I am looking for something like me to do the work. Taja is the closest thing that I've been able to find, and I'm really, really happy with it. I also wanted to improve the readability of my channel's descriptions and keywords, and I needed an easy way to do that without spending a lot of time on it. And I wanted to grow my subscriber list and traffic. I use all the features that are included, and it's really excellent. And I've been on email to the support team a couple of times to ask some questions, and they've responded super fast. They've been amazingly helpful. And to me, that's a great sign of a company that's going places. So if you enjoyed this, thank you very much. Don't forget to take a look below. There's a couple of links. I'm going to share them with you. And if you have any questions, drop me a note. Don't forget to go also and watch that second video that I talked about. That's the demo video of Taja AI and how it works. I think once you see it in action, it's going to make a lot of sense. And perhaps if you're a YouTuber like Emwa, who is trying her best every day after work, then you might find this a really good tool for your channel as well. All the best and Happy New Year!